Here I have two uncharged pith balls. One is hanging from a string and positioned at 5 centimeters, and the one on the left is attached to a guide block that's positioned at 3 centimeters. First, I'm going to remove the pith ball on the left and charge it using the hair on my head for about 20 seconds. Now that this pith ball has built up some charge, when it comes close to the hanging pith ball, the process of an induction will cause for an attraction to occur. Once they make contact, the charge is then spread out evenly amongst both pith balls. Now when I take the guide block and position this pith ball at 3 centimeters, we'll see that the position of the hanging pith ball has now changed to 5.5 centimeters. I'm going to remove this pith ball and bring in on the right an uncharged pith ball, and I'm going to make contact with the hanging pith ball to allow for some of the charge on the hanging pith ball to be removed and add it to the guide block that was on the right. Now let's see what the repulsive force is between these two similarly charged pith balls when I bring it back in. Here it is at 3 centimeters. And the hanging pith ball is about 5.4 centimeters. So now it's a bit closer to the one on the left. What happens if I bring this one a little bit closer? You can see that it's caused for the hanging pith ball to move further away due to the repulsive force. I'm going to remove that one and bring in another uncharged pith ball. This will take some of the charge off of the hanging pith ball and should make the force of repulsion between the one on the left and the hanging pith ball to be even weaker than before. You can see now that the hanging pith ball is positioned at about 5.3 centimeters when this one is positioned at 3. You can see as I move it out how it goes back to its original position at 5 centimeters. I'm going to bring in one more time another uncharged pith ball to subtract some of the charge off of the hanging pith ball. Now that the guide block is positioned at 3 centimeters, the hanging pith ball is at about 5.1 centimeters.